Welcome to Beverly Hills, California. In this video, we'll take you through the luxury heartbeat of Los Angeles, Rodeo Drive, celebrity homes, golden sunset, and the nightlife that transform this city. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey in stunning 4K. As the sun rises over Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive slowly wakes up. The storefront of luxury brand catch the first golden rays. Palm trees sway in the morning light and exotic cars begin to appear one by one. And right here, a sight that perfectly sums up the neighborhood. A stunning yellow Rolls-Royce parked at a dedicated yellow parking meter. Only in Beverly Hills would the parking meter match the car, almost as if the city itself is staged for luxury. Moments like these remind you this isn't just another street. It's a stage where wealth and style quietly perform even before the crowds arrive. This is the calm before the glamour, a city preparing to shine. By midday, Rodeo Drive completely transforms. What was calm in the morning is now buzzing with energy. The sidewalks fill up with people from all over the world. Tourists taking selfies, fashion lovers carrying designer bags, and influencers filming their reels in front of famous storefronts. Every corner of Rodeo Drive feels alive. The sunlight bounces off glass windows and polished marble walls of luxury boutiques. Gucci, Prada, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, each one designed to draw your attention. Palm trees stand tall like guardians of the street, perfectly lined and swaying gently in the California breeze. Cars are just as much as part of show as the shops. Rolls-Royce, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and Bentleys cruise by slowly, almost like they are on display. Some drivers even stop slowly for a few minutes so that the car becomes part of the scene. Beverly Hills traffic isn't a nuisance here, it's a part of the attraction. The people add to the rhythm, shoppers step out of boutique with signature shopping bags, while others simply wander, soaking up the atmosphere. Even families with kids stroll through enjoying ice cream or window shopping. Because Rodeo Drive is as much about the vibe as it is about buying luxury. What makes the midday movement special is the balance. The sunshine, the glamorous storefronts, the rolling luxury cars, and the hum of conversations in a dozen languages. It feels like the center of the world's luxury lifestyle, alive and accessible for anyone walking its three famous blocks. Late afternoon is when Rodeo Drive becomes its busiest. Cars line up bumper to bumper, but here traffic feels like part of spectacle. The sidewalks turns into runway of fashion, chic outfits, designer shopping bags, and photographers snapping away. This is a glamour rush hour where the day's energy peaks just before the calm of evening. Just minutes from the shopping district, Beverly Hills opens into quiet residential streets lined with some of the most exclusive homes in the world. Behind tall gates and lush hedges, celebrity estate sit perched on hillside. These are not just houses, they are symbol of success and privacy. Driving here feels like glimpsing into a different world where luxury is hidden, yet larger than life. As the sun begins to dip, Beverly Hills glow in warm lights. Storefronts reflects golden rays, palm trees cast long shadows, and city eases into softer mood. Streetlights begin to flicker, couples stroll down Rodeo Drive, and restaurants fill with evening guests. The golden hour here isn't just beautiful, it's cinematic, the perfect transition into night. When darkness falls, Rodeo Drive shines better than ever. Luxury storefronts glow under spotlights, neon signs lit up, and the reflections of headlights create a river of color down the street. Night reveals a new Beverly Hills, one that's bolder, more vibrant, and full of energy. This is where the nightlife begins. Exotic cars slowly pull up to the curb, their engines purring against the evening air. Doors swing open and out step elegantly dressed women, heels clicking against the pavement as they head towards the boutiques. Shopping here is not just about what you buy, it's about making an entrance. And that's full day in Beverly Hills. From sunrise calm to neon nights, from celebrity homes to Rodeo Drive's endless glamour. This city is a world of its own. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow travelers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next adventure.